Hi Gemini, welcome to your January 2021 reading. And in this reading, I'm going to be drawing cards for the overall energy for your month of January in the year 2021. We already have two cards for you. We have the card of Justice, which is Libra energy. We also have the card of Four of Cups for you. These cards are already pre-shuffled, so I'm not going to take much time. In the meanwhile, may I request you to please hit the like button for me. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. That way you get notified when I'm live. Okay, Gemini, you have the card of Queen of Fire, which is the Queen of Wands energy. You get the card of Six of Water. You also get the card of Three of Earth. Some very significant cards you have in your reading here. You're being asked, there's something here that's been playing on your mind and you've been wanting to take a decision with regards to. You're also working on balancing your own emotional self with your environment. There could be some conflicts. I don't see a lot of, this is not like a big conflict or a problem, but there is something that has not been, that doesn't feel very satiating or contenting for you. You are trying to cope up with your situation or with your inner self, with your core, with your beliefs, what it is you want and what it is you're being served. You're trying to create a balance there. I also feel, Gemini, in the month of January, you are waiting to just stretch your wings and fly. And you're also being asked with the Queen of Wands, Queen of Fire energy, not to underestimate yourself, because now is the time where you need to assert your independence and be a little more creative. Think about the things you have been holding yourself back from, and you're being asked to make a move to keep going forward. There's something here in the month of January that is taking you back to your childhood days, or bringing forth in your mind your memories from the past or your childhood. For some of you, there are also issues regarding children, or this could be you. There are issues stemming up from your past, from your childhood in your life now. And you're being asked to be a little more present here in the month of January, Gemini, because you could be living in your head. You could be feeling spacey sometimes. You could be romanticizing the past as well. It could be a relationship with someone. It could be you. It could be someone else's relationship that you could be thinking about a lot also. But there is a lot of nostalgic feeling here, and something that comes up from the past, and you are working on that with here in the month of January. You also get the energy of Three of Earth, which is the Three of Pentacles energy. You have a lot of power to create. You're very creative. Your mind is very fertile here. And you could also receive some kind of recognition for a very high quality work. You're also being asked to be a team player here. Get together with people, share ideas, because unless you talk about your ideas, nobody knows what it is you want or how they can help you. Maybe someone else is waiting for just the kind of ideas you have to work with you or on your ideas. Let's see what you get from the oracle. You get the card of sharing. This is exactly what I've been talking about, Gemini. Your mind is very fertile. You're very creative. There are also good lucks and chances for you to get recognition for good quality work. And even before I drew the card from the oracle deck, I got the message about you sharing these ideas, going out in the world and talking about them, your creativity. And now from the deck too, you get the card of sharing. You get the card of postponement. You get the card of aloneness. Why do we have the card of postponement here? Okay. You could be wanting to bring something into action in the month of January. However, you're only being asked to work on your ideas in a more determined way, in a more research-oriented way. Be more clear about what you want to do and not get into action here. And with the card of aloneness and understanding, you are definitely spending a lot of time going within, taking time to introspect is what I'm getting for you in the month of January. This month is going to give you a lot of opportunities with the, oh my god, And topping the card of aloneness and understanding from the oracle deck, you have the card of the Hermit. You are spending a lot of time in the hermit mode, and probably this is what is. So with the card of Six of Water being an introspection, or someone coming from the past, you do not have to go to the past, or someone who's coming to you from the past is one thing I see very strongly playing on your mind. So with the card of the Hermit, I feel like you are spending a lot of time in quiet meditation. You could be educating yourself on the spiritual front as well. You're discovering a lot of things about yourself, and that could be the gift of creativity that's coming forth from within. But yeah, you are still somewhere looking to postpone your ideas, which is all fine. First discover yourself, work on your merits, come out in the world, share your ideas, and then from there see where they are supposed to go. And in the end, the last card that I have for you also is the card of Justice. So we begin your energy with the major theme for the month being justice, Libra energy, and here again we have the energy of Justice card. And I feel like you know what you need to do, what are the things you need to stand up for, and you could be doing that here and now. And this is coming to you after a lot of introspection, or a lot of deep meditative thoughts you are going to allow to become a part of your life. And you're definitely standing up for your beliefs in the month of January. This is looking like a very significant month when it comes to self-work, inner work, and going forth with wisdom, knowledge, and more courage. So this is what I have for you for the month of January 2021, Gemini. Hope this reading helps. Please make sure you hit the like button for me, and make sure you also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. If you don't do that, you don't get notified when my videos drop in your feed. So until we meet again, bye bye, stay safe and stay blessed.